The UMC was a place full of energy last week as the CU Energy Club put on their third annual Energy Frontiers Conference. The conference showcased some of the university's top energy research, competing for a $500 grand prize in the poster competition. CU Energy Club President Jeremy Halperin says the conference and the club helps connect students with unbiased information about the emerging and changing energy industry.
As an energy club, we don't take a stance on any one form of energy is better than the other. We think that's the students' choice to make as far as what they think on those issues.
The conference comes at a time when energy in Boulder is at the forefront, and new sustainable energy practices are being put into place. Some of these practices are being studied by the Renewable and Sustainable Energy Institute, or RACE, which has a partnership with the CU Energy Club. RACE is studying these plug-in hybrid vehicles behind me. 28 volunteers around Boulder are currently driving the cars for the study, which tracks the car's electricity use as well as participants' home energy consumption. And all of this is done through something called smart grid technology. According to the U.S. Energy Department, smart grid is a way to computerize electric utility grids and control individual devices from a central location. The RACE study is a partnership with Xcel and Toyota, who is donating the cars. Graduate Research Assistant Wayne Tomac says Boulder provides a unique opportunity to do a study with Xcel's smart grid technology in place.
Smart grid technology is starting to come online. Obviously, Boulder is one of the first cities to get this kind of technology. And we see plug-in vehicles are starting to come to the forefront.
So where do Halperin and Tomac hope to see energy in Boulder in the future?
I think it's not going to be one technology that wins out. It's going to be a plethora of technologies all working together. There's wind, there's solar, there's biomass, there's geothermal.
Obviously, every city's not going to be on a smart grid in 5 years. And everybody's not going to have a plug-in vehicle in 5 years. But we'll understand a lot more about them, and I think we'll see a lot more of them.
According to Boulder County's official website, the city understands that sustainability is a long-term goal that is necessary to balance environmental, economic, and societal needs. Alexis Breidenbaugh, News Team Boulder.